Hey folks, I'm just getting started in the lab here, and my goal is to make a solution. So I'm going to show you how to make a solution. Today we're going to make a solution of ammonium bicarbonate, which is an ionic compound made out of the cation ammonium and the anion bicarbonate. These are polyatomic ions that we're learning about in class. And I'm going to make this solution in water in a 50 milliliter volumetric flask. Let me show you some of the planning that I did. So as you can see here in my notes, I'm making an ammonium bicarbonate solution. I want a concentration of 10 millimolar ammonium bicarbonate, and I want it, because I'm using a 50 milliliter volumetric flask, that makes my volume 50 milliliters. These are two decisions that you make when you're making a solution. What concentration do you want the solution to be, and what volume do you want it to be? And then we can go ahead and do some calculations. The other thing we're going to need, because this is in moles per liter and I need to know how many grams I'm weighing out, is I'm also going to need the formula weight, which is my conversion factor between grams and moles. So to do this calculation, I'm going to start with my volume, because I know that volume times concentration gives me moles. So it's 0.05 liter solution, and my conversion factor from liters to moles is 0.01 moles per 1 liter, because my solution is 10 millimolar, which is the same thing as 0.01 molar or 0.01 moles per liter. And then my next conversion factor, I've just canceled liters, and I've got how many moles of ammonium bicarbonate I need, but I want to know how many grams to weigh out, so I'm going to convert that moles to grams using the molecular weight, or the formula weight. There's 79.06 grams of ammonium bicarbonate for every 1 mole of ammonium bicarbonate. On my calculator, that came out to 0.03953 grams is my units. Sorry, I ran out of space there, but that's my units I'm left with, because moles canceled and liters canceled. All right, so I need that many grams. That's not actually, there's way too many sig figs here. That's not actually how much I'm going to weigh out. So I'm going to write down with how many grams I actually weigh out on the balance. So the first thing I need to do is grab a clean weighing boat, and I'm going to tare it. Notice the doors are closed while I'm tearing. There we go. Now I've got this saying 0 grams, and I'll weigh it out. I'm just putting in, because I know that this is a very small amount, I'm only putting in just a few crystals at a time now. I put the cap back on the bottle. I'm going to close the door here to take that reading. I'm done using my scupula. I need to clean that off. It needs to be clean before I put it back in here, because everyone relies on that stuff being clean. This goes in the garbage. As you can see, I've got 0.038 grams, 0.038 grams of ammonium bicarbonate in the weighing boat. So now I need to get the powder from the weighing boat into my volumetric flask. And take the cap off of here. I need to get all of those little crystals into my volumetric flask. In order to do that, I'm going to bend my weighing boat like this to make a little, it makes a little funnel. You can see some of the solids already falling down there. What I need to do is make sure it all gets into my volumetric flask. To do that, I'm using the solvent that I'm dissolving the material in, deionized water, to wash every tiny little crystal off of this boat and down into the vol flask. I'm going to turn this so that I get the other corners as well. I'm going to fill up this volumetric flask, but I'm not going to fill it up all the way, because the next thing I need to do is make sure my solid is fully dissolved before I fill it up all the way. Because dissolving a solid is going to change the density of the solution, and I want to make sure my final volume is right on that line there, the 50 ml line. Notice that I actually don't know how much total water I'm putting in here. It's close to 50 milliliters, but not exactly. The amount of water you put in is not the important part. The important part is the final volume. The final volume needs to be 50 mils. So I have no idea how much total water I just put in there, but I know that the final volume is 50 milliliters. I'm going to mix again, and I'm going to check to make sure that my solution is right on that line. I get my eye down to this level so that I can see the bottom of the meniscus is right on the white line. So I know that this is exactly 50.00 milliliters. My 0.038 grams was dissolved in the 50 milliliters, so I can calculate the 0.038 grams, a little less than what I wanted. I have to divide that by 79.06 grams per mole, or in other words, multiply by 1 mole over 79.06 grams to convert grams, which cancel here, to moles. That's how many moles, 4.8 times 10 to the minus 4 moles of ammonium bicarbonate. And then divide moles by liters, that gets you moles per liter, or molar, in other words. I made a solution of 0.0096 molar ammonium bicarbonate. All right, so there we go. We've made a solution, and I'm going to clean up this space here, make sure this is closed. We haven't left any solid in here on the balance. The cap is on the container, and I'm not leaving a mess behind here. And my weighing boat is garbage. I don't want someone to accidentally use it thinking that it's a clean weighing boat, because it's not clean anymore. It's used. I'm going to throw it away. And now I'm ready to go do some more science. Yay!